Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how to, first of all, enlarge the spool so that it can be used to load a 120 or medium format film. So first of all, what you need to do is, again, just check that that movement is free and easy, and look at the way that it's set up there. Okay, you've got now the circular parts are kind of facing away from you, and the film area here is towards you. That's fine. And then just, I'm going to rotate the left-hand side there, my left, and you can see that there's a little bit of a click. So I'm just going to loosen it off, bring it back, so past the lock part, and then it won't go any further. Then I can extend it out just so near the end, bring it back and lock it into position. Okay, and then you can see that it's the distance there is about the width of a roll of medium format film. So I'm just going to set that down. Okay, that's our spool ready for use. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at how to attach or how to load the film onto our newly sort of enlarged film spool. Okay, so this is your film that you've taken from the camera, and first of all we need to get access to the film itself. So the film actually is wound inside this backing paper here that you would have seen when you were loading the camera. Okay, so first of all, to get access to that, we're just going to remove paper. Again, just get rid of all of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the spool a second. So I'm going to hold the spool in my right hand with my finger here and my thumb. Just grab it like that. And then with my left hand, I'm literally just going to pull the paper. Keep on pulling. Okay, you can see the film starts to emerge. And as I keep on pulling the paper, the film will curl up. You can see it there curling up underneath my fingers, and keep on doing that until you come to the end. So at the end of the film, the paper and the film are attached with a piece of tape. You need to remove that. So first of all, I'm just going to remove it from the paper side. So that's all waste now, you can get rid of that. And then I need to, very importantly, okay, I need to remove this tape here. Okay, now you can either take a pair of scissors and cut it off, or you can just, you know, very gently peel it off as well with your hand. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's removed. That's rubbish. You can just put it to one side. And now I've got my film and I'm ready to attach it onto the reel. Okay, so I'm going to bring my reel back in. So just like you were processing with 35mm, you need to make sure that these curved bits here, okay, that they are sort of facing towards you. Okay, so at the moment it's the wrong way around. So you can see at the moment they're facing away from me, so that's no good. So I'm going to spin that around. Okay, and then you've got this area here that's going to take the film, and these curved areas with the bearings are near me. All right, so again, like medium format's a little bit trickier now because you've got more film to work with. Okay, it's a wider film, so it's a little bit more tricky to work with, and you've got less area of unused film, so you need to really kind of be careful about touching the film with your fingers. So try to grab it on the edges, okay, because any finger marks here will damage the film. So again, you're just trying to load the edge, the top edge of the film there, into the spool. Push it forward, push it beyond the bearings, just give it a little pull back to check so I can see it's locked on there. I'm happy enough with that. And then again, nice and gently wind it forward, just with one side. Okay, if you go with two sides, like really quick, okay, you're going to kink the film, all right, and then it's not going to wind on properly. So nice and easy does it. Okay, you don't want to damage something that you spent hours shooting, so why rush it at this point? So nice and easy. And again, just make sure that the film leaves, that this area, this loading area of the spool here is free, and then you know that you're ready to put it into the film tank.